Hi family! Today we're doing another baking video. Today we're making butter cake, but as Per Anya version. So we need butter and what is this? And sugar and I don't know what this is.
Baking powder.
Baking powder and what's this again? Almond. Almond and why did that have an egg on top? It's so silly. Flour and egg and sprinkles. It's like a little off. Now you have to turn on the oven. I'm gonna go. I don't know that answer. We need 1 cup of butter. And I'm gonna check it out. Why? That was my daddy. That was just my daddy. Now add 1 cup of sugar.
2.
Oh, that was just my daddy. Sorry, I forgot the egg. Well, I'm gonna add it. Should have been cleaning my hands for 100 layers a day. Okay, now we have to combine the dry ingredients in here. 1/2 cup of flour.
1.5 cups of flour.
1.5 cup of flour. And 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Transfer it in a grease pan. Oh, that smells delicious. So, can I take like a lick? No, it never had an egg in it. I poured it in, and I got some on my hands. How little doughy is this? Okay, next is sprinkles, but where'd it go? Oh, it's right here. Got it, family. I want this one, and this one, and this one. In my mouth. Next we're gonna put on the wiggy sprinkles. I picked the wiggy sprinkles. Okay, and next we get to add the unicorn ones. Yes, that's the best part. I'm gonna dump it. No, I'm gonna sprinkle it too. I did the best one. Let's do the best one in a little unicorn cone head. I get some more for you. Ta-da! This is so cool. It's butter cake as Per Anya specialist. Put it in the oven together and my pets, my little stuffed animal, and everything right there. Ta-da! Oops. This is so broken. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell and follow my Instagram right down here. See you on in the next video. Oh, God.